Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into one of Neville Goddard's most powerful techniques for manifestation, the end scene. This technique is one of the most effective ways to bring your desires to life. It allows you to visualize your goal in its completed form as though it has already been achieved, and it's a game changer when it comes to manifesting your dreams. So, let's explore what the end scene is and why it's so important. Now, let's start by understanding what Neville meant by the end scene. This is a technique where you imagine the final result of your desire as if it's already happening in the present moment. The key idea here is to focus on the end result of what you want to manifest. Don't get caught up in the process or the how it will happen. You simply focus on the end goal, and you imagine it as vividly and completely as you can. Why is this so powerful? Neville taught that our subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined. It accepts whatever we impress upon it as reality. By visualizing the end result, we are impressing our subconscious mind with the image of our goal already achieved. This is important because when the subconscious mind accepts the outcome as real, it begins to organize our outer reality to match it. Let's break this down with an example. Suppose you want to manifest a new job. Instead of focusing on the details of how to get the job, such as your resume, interviews, or the job search, focus entirely on the end result. Picture yourself already in the position. Visualize yourself sitting at your desk, working on projects, interacting with your coworkers, and feeling that sense of accomplishment and fulfillment that comes with having the job. Imagine how it feels to step into the role you desire, how proud you are, and how this new job fits perfectly into your life. Here's the key. When you visualize this end scene, you're not just imagining it casually. Neville emphasized that you need to feel the emotion of the fulfilled desire. The experience of feeling as though it's already real is what gives it power. The more you feel the emotions connected to your manifestation, whether it's excitement, relief, or joy, the stronger the impression is on your subconscious mind. The power of the end scene lies in the fact that it trains your subconscious to accept the completed desire. And once your subconscious mind accepts it as real, it starts to rearrange your thoughts, your actions, and even your external circumstances to bring that desire into your reality. It's like you've already crossed the finish line in your mind, and now your outer world is simply catching up. Now, Neville Goddard always encouraged us to be specific with our end scene. The more details you can add to it, the better. Imagine yourself in the exact situation you want and engage all of your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? For example, if you're manifesting a new home, picture yourself walking through the front door, feeling the texture of the doorknob, hearing the sound of the key turning, and smelling the fresh scent of a new space. The more vivid and real the scene feels to you, the more powerful it will be. Another important point is that Neville advised us to keep our end scene short and focused. You don't need to imagine every detail of your life. Just focus on the key moment that represents the fulfillment of your desire. This can be a simple scene, you receiving the phone call with a job offer, you holding the check in your hand, you hugging your loved ones after achieving your goal. The key is to keep it simple and emotionally resonant. So, how do you use this technique in a practical way? Neville recommended visualizing your end scene right before you fall asleep. This is because the subconscious mind is more receptive at this time, and as you drift off to sleep, Your mind is in a relaxed state, which allows the image of your desire to be deeply impressed upon it. You can also visualize your end scene during meditation or whenever you're in a relaxed state, where your imagination can fully take over. Outro. The end scene is an incredibly powerful tool because it aligns your inner world with the reality you want to experience. By vividly imagining the end result of your desire and feeling the emotions associated with it, you are literally impressing your subconscious with the image of your goal achieved. And when your subconscious accepts that goal as reality, the outer world begins to rearrange itself to match that image. So, start practicing the end scene technique today and see how it transforms your ability to manifest your desires. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll explore how to use another powerful Neville Goddard technique, revision, to rewrite your past and create the future you want. Thanks for watching, and remember, your imagination is your superpower.